Okay, I got this little sign here. Actually, it comes in separate pieces. These are all separate pieces here. The comma separate, the words, but it says "Love you, bye," and it has a little heart and a little comma here, and they're all separate. They're made out of wood. It feels like they're wood, and they didn't come with finishing nails. If they had come with finishing nails, I would have probably hung them up above my door as you're leaving and stuff. It would have been cool to do that. That's what I thought I was going to do with them, but instead they came with these little sticky dots, and I don't have any finishing nails right now, so I have to go to the store and get some finishing nails if I want to put them up above my door. But yeah, they came with these little sticky dots, and so if you have a smooth surface like here, then you can just put them up on here and just put the little sticky dots on the back, and then they just stick right there to your smooth surface. But like, they sent these to us so we could show them to you, and so I thought they were really cool, and so they just put them on my refrigerator here. How about that? Love you, bye. Very cool. And they're just, like I said, they're just made out of a nice like wood type of a material here, and I'll just show you here. Take the little sticky off of there and just show you. It's just like a nice, about that thick right there, and you just put the little sticky dot on the back, and then just stick it right there. How about that? So yeah, they look pretty cool. I like it. And like I said, if it had come with finishing nails, I would have probably put it up over my door, but there you go. Like it.